Sa Light Shadow Hotel in Budai in the northern west portion of Taiwan, facing the mainland China. In this parang homestay pero hotel siya, no? Wala sa Godamay, no? Ito yung sa living room niya, no? Living room, then kitchen. So actually we're booked dun sa ano to. We're booked sa hotel. Pero dito yung kasi fully booked na eh. So this yung main entrance. I'll be getting the may ha? So kunin ko yung car muna. Kasi parang this is a residential area. Naabutan kami ng ano to? Naabutan kami ng gabi sa daan. So we could not proceed directly sa this is parang neighborhood, no? Quiet neighborhood ng area place. Yung owner may-ari ng hotel, fully booked kasing hotel. Tapos we said that we need to have a place to stay. Dito niya kami nilagay, no? Siguro mga extension na place niya. Then yung parking ng sasakyan dun sa dulo. So, I like to stay sa mga itong places na hindi masyado commercialized. In fact, the place, no, parang Light Shadow yung name niya. Hindi pa nga nakabook, hindi pa na listed sa Agoda, no, but mataas yung rating niya for travelers. So kami naman travelers, we strike anywhere. This is a quiet neighborhood. Yung Taiwan is suddenly becoming like Japan. Sa countryside nila, kumukonti yung tao kasi they congregate doon sa major urban centers like Taipei at saka Kaohsiung. So today will be our last day. Now we'll be going back to Taipei. Around 3 to 4 hours na biyahe. So the car is parked there. Dito yung kotse nakapark. Thumbs up ako sa kotse na to, no? Matipid, malakas din yung power. This is Toyota Yaris na crossover. Okay. Ito yung road, practically empty na roads. Maganda din magmaneho dito sa Taiwan. Okay. So this place, they have their parang mga tenement housing, ganyan, no? This is Haixing Street. Okay, this is our car. Dito kami, this is practically our home, no, in the last 4 to 5 days. Okay, signing off, and good luck to us, no, on our last day of travel.